And welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, make una pray for May Edoshi's son when they call Kai. There are a lot of things going on behind closed door. A lot and a lot. Now, because say May Edoshi na person wey no like to dey talk come out for social media. I wish May Edochie na that person when he dey talk come out for social media. Social media for don catch fire. Social media for don catch fire. Believe me. But that woman no dey bring her story come aside. Ekwensu romance mami water say na yo. Now she come snatch o. The woman no follow her drag. In short, the woman let her know say she no dey practice polygamy. She no dey practice. And she will never be numbered as a wife. I will divorce him, leave him, and give him to you. Then you can continue. But I, May, to be numbered as a wife, is against. It can never happen. And she stand on her words. She makes sure that she was never numbered as a wife. Because you never married Juju Ekwensu. So May Edochie was never numbered as a wife. That woman, even after she left this man, there was never a time when May Edochie passed backyard, go dey Nakademos you, or pass backyard, go dey call you. The moment she turned her back, she turned her back against this man. And she said, bye-bye. He leave this man for you. He leave this man for Juju Ekwensu. Now, Juju Ekwensu, the bad luck woman, wey no fit keep any man, when frustration they follow her, they don't dash a man, they don't give her the man, yet she's not yet satisfied. What do you want this woman? Now, Juju Ekwensu, when her secrets don't expose, Juju Ekwensu said that Kai is his problem. Hey, he said Kai na be problem. He said Kai they block many things. Lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu don't come out now. He said Kai na be problem. She said Kai they block her way. He said Kai na stand between her success inside the Edochie family. He said Kai they block many things. According to what we hear, they say Juju Ekwensu sister is a wine. They don't go waka so Kai kere waka for Kai head. This matter why they tell una so. One reverend pastor don't see vision again. But this time around, it's not on social media. They've sent the message to May Edochie. That May Edochie, time for prayer. One pastor don't already see the vision for May Edochie. Told May Edochie, say, the battle has started again. Oh yeah, buckle your shoe. Time for prayers. The Ekwensu romance mami water. When your ex-husband go carry, have rise up again against your son. According to her, she said your son is blocking her way. Your son is distracting a lot of things. It's our time. Your son enemy clear the road. She's not coming this time to strike. She wants to strike with heinous. A strange heinous. Now they tell me Edochie say, time to buckle your shoe. Juju Ekwensu the verse. Kai know too many things. Too many things. Kai know a lot about Juju Ekwensu and you. Remember one time when I tell una say, Juju Ekwensu and you, they carry the go police station. Go do interrogation. Now, there is a secret CCTV when you deal with Kai. This secret CCTV camera, na Daniela Fisa, without telling anybody. This life, born pikin wey get sense. So if you born pikin wey no get sense, pray for her. May Edo she the luck where she gets. She not born any pikin wey dull. She not born any pikin wey mumu. She not born any pikin when e be say they be like their papa. Daniela noticed something. The moment she noticed something, according to her, he said papa carry Juju Ekwensu, come carry him for school. Long time ago. He said when they dey inside that car, he said Juju Ekwensu was describing their house. That time she did university. Her first year in university, now they tell you so. He said Juju Ekwensu, they describe their house. Oh, no, with this Daniela picture where they for on top of your bed, on top of for your room. He called their room, they talk their kitchen, everything. She said she was surprised. She pretend as if she not interested in waiting that they talk. He said Papa introduced Juju Ekwensu to her as colleague. He said, but the conversation will go on for inside car, make her to believe, say, this is not a colleague. Daniela say Richard Snai call Kambelechuku, say Kambelechuku, this is our papa, I don't trust them. But I say they carry women task. He said now Kambelechuku tell her, say Daniel, you won't start again. Go and read. Where they carry the woman come us? Where we dey sleep, we will not see her. He said Daniela say now, he said no. Now it be the reason we thought say something is not going right somewhere. How they take entire, how that woman say know everything about the house. Daniela say now, he say, he go ask some of his friends how to put a secret CCTV camera in the house. The one where anybody not go know. Another secret one. That was that Daniela and Kambelechuku. Now two of them put the whole secret CCTV camera when it dey house. Until Kambelechuku come bear RIP. Daniela can't tell Kai about the CCTV camera. So before Kambelechuku come bear RIP, that secret CCTV camera where they tell now right now is with Kai. Kai na yolang. When it be say the CCTV camera is played, everything goes scatter. You got to find out that there was a secret CCTV camera in that house which she never knew about, which will explain everything. Like that CCTV camera, they will watch on like movie. Everything when it happen. But the fact remain now that Kai say time to bring the CCTV camera never reach. Because the investigation never they go the way they want. The matter never they go the way they want. The matter they slow. When it is the right time, they will bring it up. Not now. There are many other things when they need to know. So, it can't be like, say, this case, there is some secret investigators when they investigate this matter. Now, Juju Ekwensu and you don't dey panic. They don't dey panic because that house, they did a lot of things. And they never knew that secret CCTV camera was operating in the house. Now they know. They tell them. Say everything will happen. Evidence day. So if they won't talk, maybe they talk the truth. Because that day, it will shock them. They will play on for television for them. May they see. You thought that it was the CCTV camera when he carried. Never knew that there was another secret one operating in the house. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans, when we thought we've seen it all. So right now, Juju Ekwensu the panic. He say, Kai, they block a lot of things. One, the CCTV camera is with Kai, which he's using to punish them. Like that CCTV camera can destroy Juju Ekwensu and you in 1 second. There was enough. There is enough to show for that CCTV camera. Juju Ekwensu say as if that is not enough. The same Kai. Now he stand for his son when they call Sadike way. He said this guy, now he stand for his son way. A very stubborn boy. Blocking the way for them. One, he refused to break the CCTV camera. Because you don't reach out to him privately. Begging him that he should destroy it. What has happened has happened. Everybody made mistake. Make Kai just accept him. Me through that CCTV camera. May no worst in case. May not be like say more go down. Kambelishuku is enough to go. Make Kai forget what happen. My lovely fans, they say Kai tell you see. Unless say you buy, now I go save her. If you just know what is good for you, buy. Because without you not buy, I'm very sorry. By the time this camera come aside, it will shock you. You see all those evil, all those secret things when you do, when you think say nobody they look you. This time around, not only God was watching you, there was a CCTV camera that captured every details of what happened. Wonder shall never end. So right now, Juju Ekwensu, his sister and his mama, they've now started operating on Kai enemy. They don't carry Kai enemy go some secret, strange altars. They've carried Kai to the mothers of the night. They don't carry Kai enemy name to the mothers of the night. They carry Kai enemy name to different kind of altars and shrine. According to Juju Ekwensu, she's not coming this time to strike the way they usually strike, as they strike Kambelishuku. No. This time around, she's coming with a strange illness. A very strange illness. This thing why they tell una so, to tell you that God not asleep. He fights battle that we do not know. He sees what we cannot see. He hears what we cannot hear. That's why when we sleep, he's awake to fight our enemies. So Juju Ekwensu is coming with a strange sickness. But a man of God have already exposed her. God ministered to a strange man of God that she don't know before. She have never set her eyes on this man. She have never go to this man church. She have never seen this man. She don't even know who this man is. When they tell you God work in a mysterious way, believe it. Edusha have never set her eyes on this pastor. The pastor reached out to Edusha and told Edusha that please, you need to be very prayerful for your son. There are some strange battles going on. There are some strange people trying to bring your son enemy down. It is time for prayer. You need to buckle up your shoes. Your son is untouchable. Fighting your son is like fighting with a stone. Last, who dey fight stone, na he go wound. He said, but they are trying everything possible to bring him down. Now the pastor tell me Edusha say, make me Edusha enter prayer. He should begin to pray. Say the battle line is drawn. He said, make she not pray with fear. Nothing will happen to her son. But she should pray. She should pray. This is the time for her to pray. The man of God told me Edusha, say na strange illness. He said Juju Ekwensu go buy the sickness from the mothers of the night. From their pots of revenge. She bought it. She went to buy sickness we want through for person. From the mothers of the night. From their pots of revenge. Just to attack this boy. But the man of God said, Kai is like a stone in the spiritual realms. The boy is guided. Juju Ekwensu is afraid. Number one, this boy have the CCTV camera to expose them. Juju Ekwensu now they panic. If they panic, said this boy hold evidence against them. Not just that. This same boy is blocking everything for his son. Just take a look at his son, Stadike. Stadike have nothing. Nothing in that family. So Juju Ekwensu has already told them that they should clear Kai enemy come off for road, make them for the see his son. He said they tell us in a Kai enemy, now he stand block Stadike. They have to bring Kai enemy down for Stadike lights to shine. Say they never buy enough for May Edochie enemy children body reach. They need more to go down. Draco is to win this battle. A lot still need to go down. Now they hear? Now hear una Ekwensu. So right now she don't go buy sickness. When she want throw on her. So my lovely fans, they say Juju Ekwensu say anything when they go constant, anywhere he won't go. He must make sure that she bring this boy down. She want to bring this boy down. She say, they say Juju Ekwensu right now. Na Kai, na the face. But you know why it's not going to work? She has already been exposed. That's why I'm exposing it more. They say nobody's coming to hold her. They see her way by her. They see a hand for a body. And spiritual work. Even if you buy people, they say, oh, Juju Ekwensu say no concern her. What she wants is that the boy enemy should buy, make it go. It's a disturbance to her. Say she not care. So this video is a message to her that her plans has already been exposed. Plans has been exposed. The information don't reach me Edochie hand. It don't reach our hand. It don't spread. Juju Ekwensu, I tell you one thing. I say you can never do any evil to me Edochie or our children. You can't. Some people fight for me Edochie. Bass balls that they give you. Some people drag. Some people fight in different way. There are people that fight spiritual battle for her. There are people that fight spiritual battle for me Edochie. There are people that do not sleep in the night. They will gather and they will be doing prayers for me Edochie. Me Edochie get all forms of soldiers on her back. And you think because you took Kambele-Chukwu, you can come for another one. You lie. What has Kai done to you? Is it not you say you come marry? Why are you afraid if your hands are clean? Why are you afraid of the CCTV camera? Why are you afraid that Kai is blocking your son way? The sky is wide for everybody. Kai can never block your son way. How? How you want to block him? Kai can never block your son way. Now because of your son no get star, all the evil way you send go give people children return back to your own. Now make your own day backward while people own day forward. Look at the evil plan you're planning. You sit down, you wake up, you carry phone, call your mama and your family. Say make the buy Kai enemy. You don't care what people will say. You want his enemy down. It is time for your son to shine. That CCTV camera, it will scatter. It's time for your son to shine. As he has refused to release the CCTV camera or destroy it, his enemy should buy to somebody's son. Just look at how evil you are. You sit down, you plan bad against people, children. My lovely fans, all our plans are scattered, destroyed by the power of God Almighty. Destroyed. She has been exposed. They don't expose her. You think you can succeed because you succeed for Kambele-Chukwu. No way for you again. No way. Next time, now confess, you will confess. As you know, won't let me Edochie rest. You will confess on top of her matter. One dash shall never end, my people. Na Kai, na Juju Ekwensu. Even you, if you lefu, we not get eye. You knows everything that is happening. but he has no say. Is it that this man, I don't understand. Is it that this man is so evil or they use charmer? I'm still trying to calculate because you knows everything when the juju going to they do. How they are planning against his son. Not be me talking. Now pastor see the vision. He said that man knows everything. They discuss it in his front. He knows everything. But the reason why he cannot stop and fight for his son, now they shock them. He said God has not revealed that part to him. But God told him that this man is a partaker. He knows everything that is happening. Go and protect that child for me. Now the pastor take call me Edochie. Tell me Edochie say, I will send you anointing oil. Where you take pray every night before you sleep. He said, me Edochie, if you want to pray, once it's 12 o'clock in the night, no matter how dark it is, come out. Walk around your compound and be praying. Pray 3 times and walk around your compound 3 times. Then enter house. They no go fit pass your gates. Talk less of the one enter your house. He said, waiting they carry now something of the mothers of the night. He says, so that's why me Edochie need to pray. Because the mothers of the night, their mission, they fight with everything with it. Everything within there. They don't care who go down. If now their husband, their children, they don't care. They want to be successful in their mission. So you see, me Edochie, the reason why you should come out. When you come out and pray around your compound around 12, exactly 12 in the night, which know they fly past your house. If they fly, they come from distance, they will see lights, they will run. So me Edochie should pray. From now henceforth, every 12 o'clock in the night, she will wake up, pray around that compound. So that the mothers of the night no will see where come hold their meeting and strike the revenge we they will take. Wonder shall never end, my people. Now wait till they happen right now with this so we go in Suru Masi Mami Water. She don't start again. Now kai now. I say big problem. Now I make you see our children no one get though. Now see the evil plan where they plan and Amo Bingo go fall down. They look this woman hurting his children. Remember they told us that before Kambele Chukwu by they tell you did not take action, did not do anything. The same thing happening right now. You know about it and he's silent. That's why I'm asking, are you sure this man is with his right senses? Or they use something for her? They are talking on how to remove your child enemy come for ground. You fall down, do they look? Una joy and pray for Kai. Every arrow which you do is to send may return back to her. Let God protect and guide Kai. Let the power of God surrender him. Every evil eye is against him. May God blind them. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. Now see the reason why me Edochie say she not do polygamy. But yet they see the pursue her. They not let the woman rest. Now they see her with her eyes. She did not do polygamy. She did not practice polygamy. In short, she left the man. Even when she's not yet divorced, she left the man for this woman. But yet they are still fighting. They are still fighting the woman. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.